What's Halloween set, Vanessa? Have you said what you're gonna be? Yes, I'm going as a beautiful princess. Yep, I have everything ready. I have a flashlight so we can see it. I have everything here. Ah! That looks like a ghost! That's just someone in a costume. Don't you get it? Ah, it looks like a witch. Oh, don't worry, it's just me, your friend Sally. I'm for everybody. Bye. Oh my god, that looks like a monster. Hey, monster, who are you? They call me Howard the Apple Monster because that's my name. You got any apples? Ah! Does that mean no?